Step 1. Listen to an audio file. Step 2. Type what is stored in an audio file. Okay. And step 3. Upload this file to a website and get paid through PayPal. So if you are a student who is looking to make money online, or if you are someone who has never made a dime online, then this is one of the best strategy for you to get started and start making money online in 2021. This is going to be really interesting. Keep watching this video till the end, because I am going to uncover all these steps to make money online. And if you don't watch this video, then you will be there with half information, and half information does not lead you anywhere. Okay, so that's why I keep watching this video till the end. So the first step you need to do is, let me introduce you to one of the website. That website is known as Scribby. Now this is a really awesome website, because the thing is that you can see you will get paid 0.10 per minute. All you need to do is that they will just send you some of the audio files, okay, and you just have to do, what you have to do is just transcribe it. That means that whatever's there in that audio file, you just need to transcribe it. That means you just need to type that into your mobile phone or your computer, okay, and you can see you will get paid by audio time, okay. And the thing is that in this way, this is one of the best opportunity to make some money online, because transcription is one of the thing which is very much in demand in 2021. And I'm gonna show you a proof, because you can see that on this website, which is scribby.com, you can see 380k people are visiting this website every single month. So there is a huge number of people who really want this type of services, and they just want these services, and they are coming to this website to get transcription done. And you can see there are a lot of people who can just, you, me, anyone can join this website, and they can start earning some good amount of money with this website. Because the thing is that this is a website where you can join as a transcriber, and the thing is that you can start making money out of it. So now you just need to go to this website scribby.com/jobs, and you can see that they are people who are hiring people for this kind of jobs. So the skills which you need for this job is that good communication skills, proficient in English language. Okay, so if you are watching this video in English, then I am pretty sure that you are able to speak in English, okay, and type something in English, okay. Then excellent comprehension of British American, it's fine, because there is not much of a difference, okay. Transcribe audio files, so all you need to do is listen to the audio files, and then you just need to type those audio files in a document, okay, you can do this with Google Slides or with Microsoft Word, any of the software which you could use for this, okay. Verify the transcripts that matches the videos, and interpret the spoken audio and identify contextual mistakes. Correctly identify speaker in the transcript and label them. Correct spelling, punctuation, grammar mistakes in the transcript, okay. That's it. You just have to do this simple things, okay. Now the thing is that most of the people just demand me that just give me some kind of a job for making some money online, okay. So this is something which is a kind of a job, okay. So if you are a student, or if you are someone who are at your home, and you cannot go to work outside according to this pandemic, as well as there are a lot of lockdowns in the world, so this is a great chance for you that you can find a job for yourself, and that is a job which you can start to work from your home, okay. The thing is that now you just have to provide your application. Just click on this submit your application over here, and you can submit your application on this website, where you can just learn what they need for you, okay. So application, the first thing is that you just need to have a PayPal account, because you will be getting paid with a PayPal account, and this is a genuine company which is really providing you with an online job, okay. And the thing is that you can see a lot of people are visiting this website every single month, so there is a huge chance that you will get a lot of work to do on this website. Okay, there are many other websites which are good, but still this is also one of the website where you can get a lot of work which you can do and really start earning some money. Okay, and if you are a complete beginner in make money online, and many of the people ask me that they don't want to do affiliate marketing, they don't want to do all that online stuff, but they simply want an online job, then this can be one of the thing for you. You just need to provide all your information, contact information, and you could be ready for the job. Okay, so just go through the introduction. Okay, as well as here are the guidelines. All you need to do is read this guidelines properly, so that you can provide the entire thing and a proper work which these people are asking for. Okay, then you just need to fill here is a sample is also given for you, so don't worry. So you can see that this is one of the sample which is given over here, so you can also do this. See, this is a audio, and this audio has been transcribed over here. You just need to type this, okay, in your Microsoft Word or any of the thing. Okay, or you can just do it with Google Slides. Okay, you just have to listen to the audio files and just type it down. Okay, that's the one of the simple things. So here are some of the terms and conditions which are something which you have to read if you want to just work on this. Okay, so here are all your frequently asked questions given, so you can just give answers to all. So most of the questions which you have regarding this platform will be covered over here in this. Okay, and the best thing is that you will get paid through PayPal, but you need a verified PayPal account for this, and that is something which most of you are having. And you can see a lot of people are just working with this type of platforms, and the thing is that this platform really pays you good amount of money. Okay, so you just need to do this. You can also practice it over here, so you are having the entire training session for yourself, that you can learn how to do this work, and only after that you can apply for this work. Okay, so it is really something which is awesome, and not all other websites. There are other transcription websites, but none of the website is providing you all this training, all this help, so that you can really work nicely on a platform and really earn some good amount of money from a platform. The thing is that this is the only one website which is giving you this entire training and entire opportunity, so that you can learn how to do transcription properly and develop your transcription skill. Okay, all you need to do is just do this, work on all this stuff, and then you can just apply over here. Okay, so you just need to log in with PayPal. Okay, so that is something this website is really awesome about. And the thing is that you can just provide your application on this website. Okay, you just need to click on this apply now for the transcription test, and you just need to give them a small test, and then once you give the test, you will get accepted on this website, and you will start getting some work from this website. Okay, and that is something which is the best. Now, if once you have learned once you have practiced all these things, okay, all this training which is given, all these samples, once you have learned all these things, okay, from this website, and you know how to properly transcribe a thing, okay, you just got all the information over here, you have learned about transcription, you have joined this website and have started receiving some work. Now how you can just scale it up and just provide the service to another people, extra people, so that you can make extra money. So once you have mastered the skill of transcription, then what you can do is that you can go to Fiverr, you can just create a gig. Okay, you can just become a seller on Fiverr and create a transcription gig where you will provide people with English transcription or any language transcription which you know. So in this way, this website is totally going to provide you all the information and all the training which you need to develop your transcription skill, as well as this website is also going to provide you the work for that. Okay, and to get some extra income and extra clients, you can also provide the same service on Fiverr. So this is a two-way strategy for you. You are not just building one way to get clients. Okay, these are the two platforms through which you will get more clients every single day, and in this way there is a higher chance that you will get more clients. All you need to do is listen to the audio file, then what is told, you just need to type that, and then you just need to upload that file to the websites, which is this Scribby or Fiverr. Okay, and you can get paid through PayPal. Fiverr also pays you through PayPal, as well as this website Scribby will also pay you through PayPal. So this is one of the best opportunity for you, which really works in 2021, and I have shown you the entire thing, because the thing is that I'm not going to only showing you something that you can build this up for once, but you can just build this skill, and this skill will pay you not only just on this one platform, but this skill will pay you on two of these platforms. Okay, so definitely if you are really searching for something like an online job, then this is the one of the best thing which you can do to make money online. I hope you have got some value out of this video, and you have understood the entire strategy which you can use to make money online, and this is 100% legit way to make money online, and it works in 2021. So press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.